Alright everyone, as you can see right here, we've got free 100,000 Microsoft Rewards points. Stay with me until the end so you can watch exactly how I did it step by step. Okay, first step, open your web browser and go to a website called bonzo-code.com. Be sure you type it correctly so you end up on the correct page. After you're on the site, you'll notice a variety of gift codes listed completely free. We're searching for Microsoft Rewards points, so scroll down the page until you locate it. There it is. Tap on the Microsoft Rewards points to move forward. On the next page, you'll see an option to claim a free Microsoft Rewards point. Click the Show Coupon button. At first, you'll see that the code is hidden. We need to unlock it before we can use it. So select the unlock code and wait a few seconds while the tool processes in the background. Now it will ask you to complete any 2 tasks to gain access to the code. It's really easy. Just follow along. A list of apps will appear. Choose any 2, download them, open each one, and carefully follow the instructions provided. Usually you'll need to keep the app running for about 30 seconds, and sometimes complete a short registration or simple action. Just read the directions and do exactly what they say. Let's complete one together right now. I'll speed this part up so you don't have to sit through the wait. Alright, as you can see, we have completed both offers. Now let's return to the browser. Now close this verification page, refresh the page, and give it a few seconds to load. And there it is. Scroll down, tap Show Coupon, and that's it. The code is now unlocked. What you need to do next is go to the Microsoft Rewards Points Redeem Code page. I will leave the link in the comment. Now let's enter the code we unlocked. Please wait for a while. Now hit the redeem button, the website is checking the code, and there you go guys. As you can clearly see, we've got free Microsoft Rewards points, absolutely free. So that's how you can get Microsoft Rewards points by using our website. Thanks for watching.